welcome everyone to an unboxing of the JBL Tune 500 with pure bass sound, as advertised on the box very heavily. This is a wired set of headphones, so just want to keep that in mind. I know it's very popular to get wireless, but this is wired. One of the things I find a bit unique about this headset offering is that, sorry, did I say headset? I meant headphone offering, is that it does have media controls in the buttons that are supplied within the wire. So in the wire itself, there's a button for some controls such as play, pause music, and such as answering or hanging up a call, and also fast forward in previous track. So there's the headphones itself. So get that out first, and we'll go over to the other stuff just shortly after. And looking at it, it feels okay in the hand, but what I don't like is the ear pad cushioning. I'm not a fan of this type of material. It's the type that feels like it'll just rip very, very easily with extensive use. It is kind of worrisome. I'm not a fan to see that type on any set of headphones for that matter. In fact, I've seen headphones for children that are cheaper and have better material. So that's saying something, okay? But we'll see how it goes through when I put it through some strain tests, and then I give the results in the review video. A link to the review will be in the video description. So continue on, here's some quick documentation. I don't even know what that says, it's a different language I can't read. This seems to be safety instructions information in various languages, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's wired headphones, not much more to know, so be sure to check out the review. And with that, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out my social links and website link also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.